Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Hope y'all are doing well. Today I have in front of us our brand new 2023 Scout Boats 175 Sportfish. A really nice layout on this boat for getting into super skinny water with a 10-inch draft, but a 7'3" beam to be very balanced when you got a lot of people on board and take you a couple miles offshore to catch the fish as well. Let's start off on the front here. Really nice cushioned seating with storage underneath. Then you have a separate anchor locker, pop-up suites, just a nice layout for a casting platform when you're up on the front of the boat. Cooler cushion, and then a great helm seating area with your twin bucket seats, captain's chairs on here. And then you have option to put a GPS chart plotter, and has electric trim tabs with LED indicators on here, tilt steering wheel. Nice grab rail to hold on to when you're standing up, but then very comfortable seating when you're sitting down. We have a bimini top on here, so it gives you plenty of shade for the captain and co-pilot and your guest in front. And then on the back end, we have really nice seats that have storage under one side, and then on the other side is your live well. We're powered with a 115 Mercury 4-stroke on the back, and then have a nice swim platform on the port side, easier to get on and off the boat. But really nice boat with 17.5 feet length overall to fit all your family and friends and get out in the water today. So come see me when you get a chance. Cell phone number is 910-256-8100. And again, this is Chris Honig, and look forward to seeing you out in the water soon.